Hello everyone, welcome to Data Science with Partha. In today's video, we will discuss the between and the between time methods of the series. The between method is used to filter the data when two different left and right boundaries are given. The output of this method is usually a boolean, that is either you get a true or a false depending on the condition. So let's see an example in Python to understand this. I've gone ahead and imported the pandas and the date from the datetime library. Let's create our series object. This is our series object. Now, if I want to find out all the elements which are between the numbers 5 and 15, all we have to do is we can write my series dot and we can give in values. We wanted the values between 5 and 15, pass in 5 and as soon as we run it, you can see in the output, the condition is true, it is saying true. If it is false, like false. That is any value less than 5, it's saying the value is false. Any value which is above 15, it is going to be as false. So in our series, the only number that satisfies this particular condition is 10. Now looking at the output, we see that whenever the value is greater than or equal to 5 and less than or equal to 15, we get the output true, or else we get the value as false. Now instead of the boolean value, if we wanted Python to return the values itself, that is, we have a series where we have the values -1, 0, 10 and 20. Now, when we pass this particular command between, it's giving us the boolean value true and false. Now, what if we wanted the values directly? So in our case, out of all these values, the value 10 is the only value which satisfies this particular condition. So if Python is able to return the value 10, we will be able to proceed much faster. So to get such result, all we have to do is pass this particular condition in our series itself. Say my series, and inside the braces, I'm going to pass this exact same. Copy this. So in the output, we have these two numbers, 2 and 10. Now 2 represents the index value or the position where you would find number 10. So we know Python is a zero index language. So the index starts with the number 0. So 0, 1, 2. So the index position of this particular number 10 in this series is 2. That is what it is giving. Okay. Next, let's talk about the between time method. Now the between time method is used to filter data between two given timestamps. So in Python, the example that I'm going to take is we are going to take the same series that we had worked on the at time method. So let me recreate that series. Now the series 2, if we take a look at it, we can see that the index has the time values and the values of the series itself are the numbers from 100 to 500. Now let's say if we want to take out all the records between 2 a.m. and 3 a.m. So now the first question that can come is, do we need to include both the times? Do we need both 2 a.m. and 3 a.m. included? If the answer is yes, all we have to do is minus 2 dot between time, and inside this you have to pass in time value. We run this, you can see that Python is now returning us those particular values. 300 and 400 are the values for 2 a.m. and 3 a.m. Now, there could be cases where we don't want to include the start time. So if the start time has to be excluded out of this particular filtering output. Now, to achieve that, we need to pass in certain parameters inside the between time. Copy this here. Parameter that I'm going to introduce is, have a parameter include start, and to this we are going to pass in boolean value. When we run this, you can see now that 2 a.m. value has been excluded from the output. Only the 3 a.m. output is coming. Similarly, if we want to exclude the end time, then the parameter that we have to change is, instead of include start, we have another parameter called include end, and that has to be written as false. So this is what I have for you guys in this video. Let me know which method you found interesting in the comments, and please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.